what's happening? Keenan here. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah. So today I'm doing something that I'm excited to do. I'm so a little nervous. Yeah. And I want you to check this out. Peep game on what I'm putting on the pit today. Alright, so what I got here is a piece of bovine brilliance. USDA Choice. And it's good. A little bit over 9.5 pound brisket. Alright, so here goes this brisket. My briskadilly here. The briskadillio. And as you can see, this bad boy is pretty nice looking. Look at that. Nice and tender. Nice and tender. Alright, so I got this bad boy trimmed up. And that's a very nerve-wracking thing. This is the first time I did not have to watch barbecue rules with my remixing as a pointer, as a guide to trimming a brisket. So I got that bad boy seasoned up. I'm outside about to put this pit together. I'm not going to be doing too much recording outside because it is hot out here and it causes my phone to straight stop. And those are the kids. Yes, that's the joy of fatherhood when you deal with young kids. Hold on. Alright, like I was saying, had to regulate a little bit. Yeah, while I'm out here getting this pit together, I just want to point out something. I got my water pan in here. We got some veggies, celery, a couple limes, rest of an onion, and a couple green onions. Usually with my brisket, I soak that bad boy in cola. I didn't soak this brisket in cola, but what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and add this good old RC in my water. So we got the old briskadilly loaded. Look at that. Let this bad boy sit out at room temp. Let it come to room temperature. Sat out on the counter about an hour. And I got it seasoned with that Sniffin Griffin's Beef Rub. Alright, so I know I said I'd be back in an hour, but it's been like 45 minutes. And the reason for the 15 minutes early time is that I'm running a little hot. It's like hot as I don't know what out there. The sun is beaming, so I'm running a little hot. Alright. So this is what we're looking at 45 minutes in. Briskadilly. I mean, it's running hot. It really is. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to let this run for about 15 more minutes, and I'm going to check a temp, see where we at. This is a pretty thin brisket. It's only a little bit over 9.5 pounds, so it's not one of them big monsters that people be cooking. Alright, so it's time to pull. And that little 9-pound brisket got done pretty quick. It's only been about 2.5 hours, and that bad boy's already clocking in at like 160. I got some good smoke on there, pounded a lot of smoke on there real quick, and I know it's gonna cook fast because it's hot outside and it's a thin brisket. So this is why I call it my briskadilly. This is, I'm gonna lay the brisket on top of this. This is some ghee that I had picked up, along with some fresh dill and some dark corn syrup. And on top of that, you always want to put some more whatever rub you're using. This is what I'm using, that Sniffin Griffin Barbecue Beef Rub. So we just go ahead and put a little layer on that. So this is what it look like. Got this bad boy topped with some ghee, some dill. Then this is what we do. We go ahead and put a layer of dark corn syrup on there. Just a little bit. And then sprinkle some more of that on there. Right now I'm about to whoop up this little side. You know, I'm like, it's a gang of meat. We gotta have something to eat with it. So check out what I'm about to put together. So what I got here, got a little pan. I got my brisket on the bottom right there. And I got this pan full of bacon fat and regular salted butter. And we're just gonna move that around right there. And into this, I got a quarter of a red onion and some pickled habaneros right there. Yeah. So we're gonna throw those in there. All right, we right here adding a can of these bad boys right here. Some of these Peruvian beans. We're gonna add that right in now. I drained them a little bit, but not too much. It wasn't too much liquid. And we're gonna get those nice and mixed up. And we're not just gonna leave them like that. You know, we gotta season them with something. And I'm gonna go ahead and season with this Islandboy Spices Beach Bum Rub. Yeah, these boys is on point. I use that Virgin Island Gold, the lemon pepper seasoning, and check your boy out. So let's shake that up a little bit. So we go a close up of this bad boy. I got a nice little smoke ring in there. Definitely got some juice. We got some juice in there. Look at that. Oh, there it is. That's what I like to see right there. So this is a pretty thin brisket, 9 pounds, and it came out all right. I smoked that bad boy for about 2.5 hours. Got that nice smoke ring, and then I wrapped it. Had a bit of a stall, so it was a total of about a 4-hour wrap. And for the side, that's the beans I did, and that bacon fat and butter, seasoned with Islandboy Spices Beach Bum Rub. Yeah, that's on point right there. These boys know what's up on some seasoning. And with the brisket, of course, Sniffin Griffin Barbecue Beef Rub. And when I pulled it and wrapped it, I wrapped it with some ghee that I got from the store, a couple sprigs of dill, and then poured a little bit of dark corn syrup on there, and sprinkled a little bit more of the rub, and then I wrapped it. So right there, it's a wrap. So I went on ahead and hooked me up a little bowl of them beans right there. A little bit of heat from the pickled habanero, but it's just right, Unless you get one in there, because I didn't cut them up. But the Islandboy Spices Beach Boy Rum, Beach Bum Rub that I seasoned with these beans. This is on point. It says for steak and chop, but as you can see, you can season your beans up with it. And of course, went ahead and cut up a little burnt in there. Nice little smoke ring, nice cube. All right, it's the test. I'm not going to edit this. Yeah. Nice tender beef nugget. The dill adds a little savory note to it. This is what I like. We tried it, did it on the fly, and I like it. This beef rub, this is on point. Any rub that you could use with eggs is a good rub. This is a good rub. I didn't use it on eggs and fish. I got another one, the all-purpose rub called Hello, My Name is Essential by Tomahawk Seasoning Company. So these are the 3 rubs that I ordered offline and been working with, and hopefully I can hook up with a few people out there and then sample some of the other stuff. This is your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. Don't forget to check me out on YouTube. Like, subscribe.